Nut driver sets are essential for anyone handling DIY, automotive repairs, electronics, or appliance maintenance. They're compact, easy to use, and offer the precision that other tools often lack when it comes to tightening or loosening nuts and bolts in small, hard-to-reach areas. With so many options out there, finding the right nut driver set can be overwhelming. This guide is designed to break down everything you need to know to choose the best nut driver set for your needs, highlighting the various types, key features, and maintenance tips to keep your tools in top condition. All of the product links listed in this video are in the description below. For more detail and information, visit our website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Now let's jump into the video. Number 5. Klein Tools 11-in-1 Screwdriver and Nut Driver Set. This tool packs serious versatility. The Klein Tools 11-in-1 Screw and Nut Driver Set is all about delivering what you need in one compact package. With 8 interchangeable tips and 3 nut driver sizes, it's a handy addition to any toolkit, saving you space without sacrificing function. You'll appreciate how quickly you can switch out blades for different tasks, making it a time saver for professionals on busy sites. The cushion grip handle is a standout feature, offering impressive comfort and torque for those long workdays. Compared to similar models, Klein's handle design reduces hand fatigue and gives you more control, which is crucial for precise jobs. When tested against competitors, this tool's durability also stands out. It's built to withstand heavy use thanks to Klein's commitment to high-quality materials and craftsmanship. What I love most is the tool's reliability on every task. Whether you're tightening a nut or changing out a screw bit, Klein Tools' 160-year legacy of quality shines through here, proving why they're a trusted name among professionals. If you're after a well-rounded tool that doesn't compromise on performance or durability, this 11-in-1 screw and nut driver is worth the investment. Number 4. Hurricane 6-in-1 Folding Nut Driver Set. Compact and convenient, the Hurricane 6-in-1 Folding Nut Driver Set is ready to tackle tight spaces. This metric set, with 6 foldable nut drivers, slides neatly into a pocket or tool belt, saving you from hauling extra tools. Each driver folds into a slim aluminum handle that's lightweight and comfortable, providing easy grip and control. Marked sizes make it simple to grab the right one instantly, a huge perk when you're working on time-sensitive tasks. A major plus here is the 360-degree rotation, allowing smooth maneuverability around tricky angles, which many fixed-handle sets struggle to achieve. Alloy steel shafts and a nickel chrome finish bring durability and rust resistance, making it a strong pick for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Unlike individual drivers that can go missing in action, all 6 sizes stay securely in one compact design. Its versatility shines, whether you're assembling furniture or adjusting appliances. Most impressive is how well it holds up in daily use without sacrificing portability. Near indestructible but easy to carry, this set feels more premium than other folding models in its price range. For anyone needing a portable yet durable tool for nuts and bolts, the Hurricane Nut Driver Set proves to be a smart addition to the toolkit. Number 3. Klein Tools 631 Tool Set. Powerful yet precise, the Klein Tools 631 tool set delivers serious performance for any toolkit. This 7-piece nut driver set, with its 3-inch shafts, covers a variety of sizes for all essential tasks. Each tool sports Klein's tip-ident color coding, making size identification quick, which is a real-time saver for busy projects. These cushion grip handles excel at providing comfort and extra torque. Unlike cheaper handles, Klein's grip resists slipping, even when you're working with wet or oily hands, ensuring confidence in every turn. Internal flanges anchor each shaft, keeping it twist-resistant under pressure, a feature missing in many similar sets. Built by a family-owned company with over 160 years in tool design, Klein tools are well-engineered for professional use, showing quality in every detail. With Klein's design, even long bolts pose no problem. The extended shaft length reaches deep into tight spaces. Plus, the durability of these drivers stands out. No cheap materials here. Every tool in this set feels crafted to last, offering reliability and comfort where it matters. Number 2. Amazon Basics Drill and Driver Multi-Bit Set. This 100-piece Amazon Basics driver multi-bit set is a workhorse for any toolbox. With 52 bits, 8 nut sockets, a magnetic bit holder, and 4-hole saws, this set easily competes with pricier kits. Built from wear-resistant alloy steel and treated with quenching, each piece withstands heavy-duty use on wood, metal, plastic, and masonry. When tested, the drill bits held their sharpness, offering reliable performance across different materials. Compared to other budget sets, this one excels in versatility and durability. The magnetic bit holder firmly secures each bit, making tasks faster and more efficient. Moving between jobs is also simple with the sturdy plastic case, which organizes and protects each component for hassle-free storage and transport. Its durability truly stands out, especially during demanding tasks where bits often wear out quickly in other models. This set, however, maintains performance after extensive use, a huge plus for anyone with ongoing projects. Compact but packed with essentials, it's a solid choice whether you're tackling DIY or professional tasks. For a budget-friendly drill set that offers durability, versatility, and efficient storage, Amazon Basics multi-bit kit is tough to beat. Finally, introducing our best choice, DEWALT Screwdriver Bit Set with nut drivers. Durable, versatile, and surprisingly efficient, this DEWALT Screwdriver Bit Set with nut drivers is a game-changer for anyone who wants reliable tools. Every piece feels sturdy, built to withstand heavy use, and the variety is impressive. You get a complete set of screwdriver bits along with nut drivers, perfect for tackling a range of projects without constantly switching tools. One standout feature is the magnetic drive guide. This handy addition keeps bits firmly in place, reducing slips and saving you from dropped screws, an absolute lifesaver when working overhead. The bits themselves are designed with strength in mind, minimizing the risk of wear, even during tough jobs. With its durable case, you don't just get organized storage, you get easy access to every bit without wasting time. Using this DEWALT set, you'll notice how well the bits grip screws, which reduces strip-outs, making your work more efficient and professional-looking. Switching between bits is a breeze, thanks to the convenient design, making this set ideal for both quick fixes and longer projects. What I love most about this set is its reliability. Each bit performs with precision, even after heavy use. For anyone needing a high-quality all-in-one solution for screw driving and nut driving, this DEWALT set really delivers. It's a tool set built to last, keeping you ready for any task, every time. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video, and all of the product links you can find in the description below. Hope this information has been helpful to you in finding the perfect product for your needs. Subscribe to our channel and like this video.